Over the past month, we've been busy carefully packing away all the objects on display at the Fashion Museum, ready for our move from the assembly rooms. Curators Rosemary, Ellie, Elaine and Fleur were helped by textile conservator Sarah Glenn to gently remove each and every piece from the displays and pack them safely into acid-free cardboard boxes lined with acid-free tissue paper. In this display case, you can see the team at work packing away some of the earliest treasures in the Fashion Museum collection, including a rather handsome cream wool frock coat from the 1790s and this cream and orange printed dress from about 1800. All the objects in the collection are now safely packed and ready for the next exciting chapter of the Fashion Museum. We look forward to sharing news and updates on the move with you soon.